Guys, and welcome back to EQ Planes, and today I'll be unboxing 7 models from Prairie Diecast. Picked up these models from Prairie Diecast they had a sale going on, saw it on Instagram and thought, yep, I'm gonna get that. So I picked up 7 models for $200, which is pretty good, so let's get into it. Here we have our models for today, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so here we have our first model. This is interesting. It came in a Skyjets 400 tin versus, the normal box. Try and get this out here. This is, I believe, my Branif DC 8. Mystery. Oh yeah, it's stuck in there. You can see from Gemini Jets. Interesting. So, here we go. Here is the Branif DC 8. Here we have the Gemini Jets Branif DC 8. So you got the yellowish color on the bottom. Kind of looks goldish on the camera for some reason. It is a yellow. You got that nice rich red. The mold looks pretty good, I'd say. It is, the nose might look a little off, but that's all I could think of. It is close enough for me. You got Branif International, labeled right in there. The engines and everything looks fine. Then you got, the seam, which used to be in a lot older models, right in there. So yeah, all looks pretty good. I'll let you take a look head on. Looks wonderful, and those who are curious, the underside. So yeah, good model. Glad I got it. And yeah, let's move on to the next. Here we have the Airbridge Cargo 747-200 from Phoenix Models. Doesn't appear to be a date on the model, but yeah, we'll take a look at this. Let me box part. And here we go. So yeah, I would have rather got an 800 or a 400. The 200's still pretty cool. Picked this up for cheap. It's a buy. Yeah, I can't remember. I don't remember exactly when they retired the 200s though. So yeah, there we have it. The Airbridge Cargo 747-200. Here we have the Airbridge Cargo 747-200. Back here you got the Airbridge Cargo tail. It says Air Cargo, Airbridge Cargo back here, the cargo door. You also got the blue on the engines, and right across the fuselage, their Airbridge Cargo ABC, and then a discoloration on the nose here. Now, looking at pictures, I didn't see this color on the nose. Usually it's uniform white, but could just be the particular aircraft. But yeah, I'll take a look at it from head on here, and yeah, engines looks good. This is, when I take a look at it, I do think it is pretty good mold from Phoenix. Nothing really to complain about. There you can see the bottom from there, and yeah. Let's move on to the next model. Here we have a Dragon Wings 767. This is the Canadian Air Canada combination. So for a few years in between 2001 and 2004, they had painted some of Air Canada's 767 still had the Canadian Airlines lettering on it with the Air Canada livery. So that happened for a bit. Now this is my first Dragon Wings 767. Now I know they make a good DC-10 and 747, but just gonna take a look at see that came up down how their 767s are. Now I know they don't make great Airbus molds, but they tend to do good with the Boeing ones. So take a look here. Stand. And there we go. Air Canada / Canadian 767. Here we have the Canadian Airlines / Air Canada 767-300ER. Now the Air Canada 767-300ER is one of my favorite airplanes, but this was it in the older liveries. So you've got the 1990s Air Canada colors on the tail and early 2000s. And then you have the later livery Canadian Airlines color with the bird on the front. Now, they had a lot of these airplanes like this. They had it on a lot of airplanes. They had it on the 747, 767, Fokker F-28s, you name it. I've only seen one of these in real life. That was at a junkyard in Saskatoon on an F-28, which is pretty cool. So yeah, the Dragon Wings mold actually does look pretty decent, better than I expected. The windows could be a little high up and small. For comparison, I'll give you a Gemini Jets, I think this one's Aero Classics 767, which I do believe has a more proper mold. So you can see the a little shorter, and you've got the windows about the same, a little smaller, different shaped nose. I believe this is the more proper one, but this is definitely doable. Still a very good model. There you've got the undercarriage, nothing too exciting happening under there. And yeah, in general, pretty good. Next here we have the Aero Mexico 767 300 from Gemini Jets. No, they do like the Geminis. Usually they put the year on here. So 2002 release. Box is a little damaged, but I don't care. I don't know why the box rips at the model value so much. I'm looking at eBay. Sometimes they'll knock a model down to a pretty good price just because of the box, which seems weird. But yeah, here we got the Aero Mexico 767, that nice chrome finish. And yeah, here we have the Aero Mexico 767 with that nice Gemini Jets chrome finish. Looks absolutely wonderful in my opinion. You got the little bit of gray on the nose there. You do got a Sky Team logo there. I do believe they have a nice representation of the 767. I don't think it's better than Aero Classics though. This is okay, but I think Aero Classics has the best 767 mold, no antenna, but to be expected for a model from this time period. You got the engines, maybe look a little small for 767, but it is okay. And then we got the tail, which is same as the current tail. And yeah, they kept this livery, I believe, till 2006 or 2005 or something like that. And yeah, this is a very good model. Here we have the Gemini Jets Hawaiian A330. Now this is a model I've been planning to get for a while. Do you like this special Hawaiian Airlines Gemini Jet box treatment we got going here? But yeah, let's get into it. See a lot of these when I head down to OGG, Kalahuli. Pretty sure I said that wrong. But yeah, this will be my second Hawaiian Airlines model. First one, Hawaiian Airlines 717, I got 3 or 4 years ago. That was my second model that I bought. Some old livery. So yeah, there you go. We have the Hawaiian A330. Here we have the Hawaiian Airlines A330. Now, it does look very nice. You got that silvery finish on the livery. Starting from the front, you got the Hawaiian flag, Hawaiian lettering, the silver lei that goes around the airplane. You got a nice silver bit on the wingtip. But any complaint about this model would be that this too bright. The pink is the colors are more vibrant than as it appears in real life. But it's okay. It's quite close to it. Not something you'd pick up on unless you were looking at it. But yeah, it's very nice. You got the lady with the flower. And yeah, in general, good model. I think they have a okay A330 mold. Look from the front. It is quite a nice model. So yeah, now let's move on to the next. The TWA 767-200 from Dragon Wings. Now, I thought it'd be nice to get a TWA model. I do have a Pan Am. I do not have TWA, and to my retro American collection. So stand. This looks sealed, so this must have been sitting brand new. Usually the Dragon Wings you get are not brand new ones, but yeah, this looks fresh out of the factory. Now, not sure what that is. We'll get to that later. I think it might be an extra gear. Then yeah, here we have, oh yeah, that is an extra gear. Maybe it is redone, I'm not sure. Yeah, there we have the TWA 767. Fortunately, the gear was not broken, it was just a little loose, so easy fix. It just, the gear is supposed to come off with Dragon Wings models and the other bit in there with the part to cover it when you take them off. So, but yeah, here we have the TWA 767. This is my least favorite of the TWA liveries, but it's TWA nonetheless, so it's pretty okay. You've got the Golden Globe and this Trans World Airways lettering. Then you got the blue, and I think the part I always didn't like about the livery was the blue. I don't think that suited TWA, but yeah, then you have the TWA lettering, and if that's just me, I see a strip of gold in between the blue and the red. And yeah, it looks pretty good. The other thing you'll notice is you got black marks that go across the wings. I wasn't alive for TWA, so I don't know for sure. And then yeah, you got that blue bottom, and yeah, this is actually a pretty good model, pretty good mold, and yeah, decent. So here we have a Corsair 747 SP. Comes in this Gemini Jets Skyjets 400 box. Now, I don't know what Skyjets is. I'm not sure if they're one of Gemini Jets brands that they had. They didn't always have them licensed, so sometimes they use alias brands, but it still says Gemini Jets in the box, so a little bit confused what Skyjets is. But yeah, here we have this very yellow tinted plastic, the Corsair 747. Limited edition, all of them. Yeah, here we go. Corsair 747 SP. Here we have the Corsair 747 SP. Yeah, this will be my third 747 SP, or no, my second. Yeah, I have the Iraq Air. I don't have a third one. I don't know what I was thinking. But, yeah, take a closer look at this. You got CGTOM. Can't remember when they retired these. I know the Corsair 747-400 did visit Calgary a couple of years ago. However, I did miss that, unfortunately. Yeah, you got the large Corsair lettering on the front, pretty plain, until you get to the back, and you got that Corsair tail. So, yeah, I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you guys back next time.